Hi and welcome to my channel, Taslima Maya Art. Thank you so much for being here. A big shout out to my dear friend Nathan Linsell from the Fine Art of Distraction. We are super happy you're on the road to recovery and we really miss you. Get well soon, fella. So I'm super excited and grateful to be celebrating my birthday with 13 of my amazingly talented creative art friends from around the world. Thank you so much for joining me, each and every one of you. I love you to bits and you truly inspire me. I just can't wait to see what you've all come up with. The only rule for this collaboration was to use the colour red, which is my favourite colour, and to incorporate it in any technique or colour palette of our choice. I will be trying my first ever split stack pour and swipe, and I hope you enjoy it. So let's talk lineup for my birthday bash. Before me we had the amazing Michael from Michael's Making Art. Then it's me at Taslima Maya Art, followed by the entertaining August's Acrylic Art and the wonderful Adi Art in France. And then it's a soothing Marie-Louise Art, followed by inspiring Just Janice. And then it's awesome, it's art by Donna and the skilled Venom Fluid Art. Then we have the cool creations by Christy, followed by the talented Shan B Fluid Art, and then the remarkable Pouring Together with Lance Travis. Then it's amazing Ayushu from Crafty Kids Club, followed by Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art, and then Hippie Dippy Painter Man with Cat is our caboose. Phew, that was a bit of a mouthful, let's get on with it. So this was my first ever split stack pour and swipe, and I've never done one before, so it was a learning curve. All the details for my pouring medium, which was a weight roll, and other ratios and items that I used are all in the description box below, so please do go check that out. Also, please do support my fellow artists. It's wonderful that they agreed to celebrate my birthday with me. I'm so excited to see what they come up with, and I can't thank them enough. So if you're not subscribers to their channels, please do consider subscribing and do give their videos a watch. The playlist is down below as well. Thank you so much. I appreciate all of your love and support.
I got this picture in my closet. It's gathering dust right now, and the edges have been folded once or twice. It doesn't look the same no more, 'cause the sun has made it bare. I used to have it hanging on my wall some time ago. A picture of you, 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 a picture of you. Talk to you for hours, and we stay up all night. And when morning came, we'd make breakfast in bed. I don't know why I threw away what we had. What's wrong with me? I don't know why I threw it all away. A picture of you, 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 a picture of you.
again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Be with you. All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again, just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you. 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 Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you. Be with you. Someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you.
Shitty car, but we hit the road. Doesn't matter where
I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you so much for joining me. Please hit the like, share and subscribe buttons. And up next on my birthday collab bash is August's acrylic art. Hope to see you there. Bye for now.
wanna